What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for clicking. So I got a new AMEX Gold Card and I was going to do two videos. I was going to do an unboxing video, then I was going to come back and do a review. So I've decided to make both of those videos into one. So what I've done is I'm going to show you my unboxing video, then I'm going to come back in at the end and then give you my thoughts after having owned this card for a few months now. So hope you like it. Here we go with the unboxing video, and then like I said, I'll jump in at the end. Enjoy. So I've been making a lot of watch videos, but my channel ultimately is about maximizing your lifestyle independent of income. One of the ways that I continue to do that is to take advantage of credit card sign-on bonuses. Thanks to my buddy Mark Plymile, I'll put a link in the description below. I got a notice that the new AMEX Gold Card had a 60,000 MR point sign-on bonus. My daily use card is the AMEX Platinum, but the problem with that is I only get 1x on the category that I spend the most money on, dining. The great part about the AMEX Gold is that it maximizes that portion of my spend, giving me 4x points back on dining. So today's video is just that. I'm going to be unboxing my brand new AMEX Gold Card. So here we go. First and foremost, AMEX sends this to you overnight. That in itself is pretty impressive. I don't think Chase does that. So here we go. Let me get it opened and we'll take a look at this thing together. Here's the outer envelope. We'll take it out. So it's the same style of box that the AMEX Platinum comes in. So I've screwed this up before. Hopefully I don't screw it up today. There we go. Forgive me guys, I'm editing out the video so you don't see my address. You're welcome to come to my house, but would rather you not show up unexpected. This is pretty cool. So on the AMEX Platinum, this opens up and it says, "Welcome to a world of experiences," or something like that. This one says World Service. Let me move this box aside. And basically what this is just an envelope. Take it out of the envelope, open it up, and here's the card. It is just as hard, I think. Let me compare this to my AMEX Platinum. It feels the same. I think it's the same thickness. Why do I think the AMEX Platinum is heavier? So I'm holding both of these in my hand. I think they're the same thickness and weight. Let's do a drop test as we've done before. We'll start with the AMEX Platinum. There we go, nice solid sound to it. And then the gold. Now that I'm feeling it again, it's pretty subtle, but I think the AMEX Platinum is a little bit thicker. When I'm pressing on it with my thumb, it doesn't give as much as the Gold Card. I know you can't see it flex in the video, but yeah, I think the AMEX Platinum is just a little bit heftier than the Gold Card, which is still very, very significant. So cool card to be carrying around, I think. Let's see what else is in this envelope. The AMEX Platinum had a lot of brochures in it. A lot of rewards, a lot of graphics. This one just details out the benefits. 4x on food, 4x on supermarkets. Oh, I forgot to mention, $120 dining credit. I think that's like $10 a month. So yeah, just the basics, legal stuff, and the rest of this. So short video today. I just wanted to show you my new card. Again, in maximizing your lifestyle, I had to take advantage of the 60,000 MR points. Usually it's 35,000. Annual fee is only $250, so even if I don't get any of the 4x benefits, paying $250 a year to get 600 points, some people value that at least 1 cent per point. So $250 a year to get 600 bucks, that's going to be a no-brainer for me. And then the fact that I just get 4x on my most popular spend category, that's just icing on the cake. Again, shout out to Mark Plymile for giving me a heads up that the offer was available. If you're in the same boat as I am, if you think about getting a new card, consider using my referral link below. Make sure though that you're getting 60,000 points with the referral link. If you're getting less than that, just go onto the AMEX website, because I checked, and it is still 60,000 points. So I went back and checked, and I did that video on August the 18th. So coincidentally, I've had this card for exactly 2 months. I want to go in and show you 2 or 3 things that I really like about the card and some key takeaways that I want you to take from it. The first thing is just how easy this website is to use. The user interface is fantastic. So you've got all of your Amex cards right here, and you can access the one that you're looking for. So I'm going to go into the Amex Gold Card and show you one of the coolest things I like about it, which is these Amex offers and benefits. Now, I can say the same thing about my Amex Platinum card. They're a little bit different, but they're both spectacular. For example, I've already added this to my card. Amazon, get 5 extra membership rewards points for every eligible dollar spent, up to 2,000 points. So if you look at it like $1 per point, that's a 6% return on investment. And as I mentioned in a previous video, I'll do another video in December when I get my Charles Schwab card. Those points get multiplied by 1.25 and turned into cash. 6 points times 1.25, that's basically 7.5 cents that I'm saving for every dollar spent, up to 2,000 points. Again, very, very valuable. And then there's a bunch of them that I have not added, but they change monthly and they are pretty lucrative. Again, I would say the same thing for both the Gold Card and the Platinum Card. So that's 2 things I like about it. Number 1, the interface experience with the website and how all your cards are together. Number 2, the offers and benefits for both the Gold and the Platinum. And then finally, I just want to show you, I've already racked up over 150,000 points. And yes, I've put my Rolex on here, but really I haven't done anything besides spend as I normally would spend. Getting these introductory offers, both with the Platinum and the Gold, and then making your everyday purchases, taking advantage of these Forex type of offers and the offers and rewards, and just keeping track of it, making sure you're using the right card for the right purchase, it really does add up. If I were to get my Charles Schwab card right now and convert this 156,000 points into cash, it would be $1,958, all for doing what I would normally do anyways. So talk about maximizing your lifestyle, stretching your dollar, taking advantage of what's already out there. I can't think of a better way than to sign up for credit cards like this. That's it for the video. As always, if you like it, please hit that like button. You really help me out if you subscribe to the channel. I've been making a lot of watch videos. I'll probably do that next. But ultimately, it's about maximizing your lifestyle independent of income. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.